Hey guys, this is Vagabond Spray Magician Sunny. Nice to see you again. Today I'm going to show you how to paint this tropical mountain or waterfalls, or I don't know. I mean, there's no specific new technique. I just put some techniques we've done before together. Yeah, that's it. So should be easy, right? Okay, let's do it. Just follow me. Okay, today I'm gonna use the new color. This one. I forgot the name of this color. Maybe emerald green or turquoise green or something like that. This kind of color. Okay, and blue as usual, and black, white, and clear. Right? Then we're gonna use spatula. This one and scraper. Paper for waterfall and plate the usual size, then ruler and paper, magazine paper maybe. Whatever. Alright, place the plate at the center and a little bit left and down, maybe around here. Okay, first spray green, I'll call green for today. Okay, a bit blue, a bit and black, white, and give some texture as usual. Okay, this side is light, this side is shadow. Okay, maybe over here and over here. Cover and blue, green. First, this is for the mountain or rocks, and cover all with black. And let's just give some blue and green for the background color. Yeah, just like this, right? And white on the edge between plate and paper to make it like planet is like glowing. Okay, then give some shooting star. No, just stars. As usual. Alright. And take off. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna add some mountain as we did like before. Okay, maybe over around here. Slide your finger, make it wider as you go down like this, and add some buttons, maybe around here. Okay, go up and down, make some textures. Okay, something like this, and take spatula, give some highlight along the edge. Okay, like this. Okay, this time this side is shining, so this side is shining. Okay, side is highlight. Okay, highlight should be on the left. You can add some more rocks if you want. Just play with it. Yep, something like this. Alright. Okay, the next, maybe add some more blue, green and blue. Cover black and some white, like mist. Then give some rocks over here. So if you go up and down, you have a peak of mountain, up and down. Okay, it's like this. So I want to make it higher, a bit more than this, maybe over here and over here. Yep, it looks better. So if you don't like this color, you know, it's still mostly black, right? So you can just take the color off, do some sliding. You take off some colors, and let's add some highlights here too. And you can even add some peak. Okay. Like this. And some rocks one here. Right? And take a piece of paper, tear, like some big, and spray white at it. Then add some waterfalls over here coming out between these mountains. Okay, some blue and green. Like this, and we can give some water surface. Okay, take a little bit white, and from the back to the front, move it right and left. Okay, just like this. Okay, and do some black and white. Add some rocks. Okay, you can just delete the line and add anywhere you want. Okay. Something like this. And some more highlights. Okay, something like this. Alright, let's add some another waterfalls. Okay, anywhere you want. Then add some more rocks to make it natural. Okay. Right, and the ruler in the bottom. And oh shit, and green and blue and bit white. Okay, maybe a little more right this way for the reflection of the planet or background. Okay, just like this. And let's give some splash. Okay, over here. And big light. Then finish. Okay, how is it? Well, if you want to add some shooting stars, you can just add some somewhere, anywhere you want. Oh. Maybe I would do around here. Shall we? I have a small one. Yeah, maybe like this. If it's too big, to kinda too much catchy, maybe slightly little shooting stars. Okay, that's it for today. Alright, how was it? Bit hard? Classic intermediate, huh? Today I don't have any special tip for this, but I can say rocks, sliding technique is really important all the time. So you have to control it as you want, otherwise you can't have a network. Okay? If you don't know about it, or you're not really comfortable with it, please check the tutorial about rocks. Okay? Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe this channel please. Sometimes I do live streaming. You can see the newest techniques or expression that I only show on live streaming. But if you subscribe this channel, you get notifications, you won't miss it and don't miss it. And also my Twitter and Instagram accounts are below. Follow me and you see my other amazing videos. Okay, thanks again and see you definitely in the next video. Bye. Damn. God damn.